Well, hey guys, just wanted to take you through the process of purchasing a package. When you sign up and you log into your back office, this is what you're going to see. So I'm actually purchasing my package here. You're going to be looking over my shoulder as I do it. Of course, it goes without saying, guys, that I am not a financial advisor. Everything I do on my channel is for entertainment purposes only. You should do your own research and do your own due diligence if you're going to get into anything in crypto or anything that I talk about on my channel. Only put in risk capital, okay? So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the different packages. You can see there's a $500 package, which is the minimum. And then they have packages ranging all the way up to $1 million for the big ballers, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a $10,000 package. Now, again, you get in where you fit in, whichever package you see fit. You can purchase that, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. If you've been in one of these platforms, you've been in them all. So the depositing process is, nothing's going to be foreign to you if you've been through this process before. So you can click on read more. You can go through the plan. I'm not even going to go through that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and purchase this package. I already know that this package, how much it pays out because I'm going to choose the monthly package here. So if I click on purchase, I'm going to choose the monthly 10%. Now you can, figure out which one you want to do. If you choose the trimester package or the quarterly package, you'll get 12.5% per month, but you can only withdraw once a quarter. If you click the 6-month plan, you'll get 13.75%, which you can only withdraw once every 6 months. And the annual, you can only withdraw once a year, but you'll get 15% per month. Now, of course, the affiliate, the affiliate bonuses, that sort of thing, you can actually withdraw that, anytime you want. They pay out affiliate bonuses every Friday. But for me, I'm going to choose the monthly 10% so I can withdraw my passive profits once a month and then, continue to build. So you can see here, there's no fee, total of 10,000. I'm going to pay it in Bitcoin. There's a couple ways you can pay this. Probably the easiest way to do it is Bitcoin. They do have a way where you can actually wire it to their Capital One bank account. So again, they're pretty transparent. They give you all the information to wire it over to their bank account if you don't want to use crypto. But again, crypto is probably the easiest and most convenient way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a $10,000 package to get started, and then probably scale up as I progress. I'm going to click on proceed. It's going to give you a QR code or an address here. I don't really like using QR codes, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the address. So let me copy this right here. Okay. So I moved over 10,000 of Bitcoin just so I can purchase this package. Here in my demo wallet. Then I'm going to copy this right here. I just copy and paste what it says, do it exact. Don't calculate anything and add anything into it. Just copy and paste the exact number. Okay. Let's see. Then I'm going to go ahead and send. Let me just double check something. Yeah, okay, so it's waiting for the payment. I'm going to go ahead and send that. And that's pretty much about it. Now I just have to wait for, the blockchain to, have everything go through, all the confirmations go through. Once it goes through, it's going to show up and I will be good to go. So that's pretty much about it. There you go. So payment received, it'll be reflected in your back office in a few seconds. And then once I'm able to do that, I'll be able to access their full back office, which is right here. Because prior to purchasing a package, you're only able to see their products. Once you purchase a package, then you're able to come in here and access all of this other stuff here where you can check out the team view. You see here the different wallets. There's personal performance. Obviously, I'm just getting started, so I have nothing here, but I'll be able to track that as we move forward. Then they have like a leadership board over here. You can see where reps are coming from. Again, this is a brand new platform. It's only been out for, I believe, a month and a half, to 2 months max. But they're just getting started, and there's a lot of transparency. So yeah, if you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. Again, only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Do your own research. Make sure you follow me on Telegram also. I will leave a link for that down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.